Guys, this is a Zimbabwean constitutional lawyer. Let's listen to her.
You also hear that Mr. Mnangagwa is doing a good job. That's not correct. I mean, when Zimbabwe sneezes, South Africa itself catches a cold. We know that there are over 3 to 4 million Zimbabweans that are in South Africa right now running away from the crisis that ZANU-PF has created. We know right now that South African hospitals, before we even come to the Zimbabweans, are overrun by Zimbabweans who are running away from Zimbabwe just to give birth to a child because our public health system has completely failed.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, I don't know how true this is, but I heard ukuthi ama-Zimbabweans in Zimbabwe, they consider to be led by a white president. They need a white president, a white leader now. This Douglas Coltart, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this surname correctly. And mina ngithe mangizwa leyo nto, when I heard about it, I said to myself, if this is true, it's a very good decision. They are making a very good decision, and I support them on doing that. Then other people were like, no, what do you mean? Because Tina, as black people, believe ukuthi we have to be led by our fellow black leaders. But mina, my question is, even here in South Africa, what did our fellow black government do for us? I know ukuthi, as usual, many people will come and say, you want the apartheid to come back. No, I don't want the apartheid to come back. The only thing I want, I'm praying for, is the freedom of this country. And ngihleze ngisho lento ukuthi mina I don't care ukuthi you are an Indian, colored, black, as long as you are a South African who will rescue us from this mess. I don't want to be led by a foreigner. I don't want to be led by apartheid. The only person I want ukuthi lead this country is a person who will free us from this bondage, who will rescue us from this mess. That's the only person that I want. I don't care if you are black, white, Indian, or colored. The only thing I need for our country is freedom, for us to be free at least, and someone who will love and appreciate this country. So if Zimbabweans truly they choose to put this Douglas as their leader, which is impossible for Zimbabweans, we know, but it's a prayer because the freedom of Zimbabwe is our freedom. I was listening to a lawyer, a constitutional lawyer of Zimbabwe. They interviewed her on a newsroom. Esho ethi if UN is not intervening kule problem yase Zimbabwe, South Africa will continue to suffer. South Africans will continue to suffer. That is a very big problem. If Mnangagwa is extending that term, we are in trouble. And another thing is, I used to see our fellow South Africans, if I'm complaining about the quietness of the ANC, if ZANU-PF winner, or this lento yabo yokuthi each and every time ZANU-PF yenza izinto ezimbi, behambe beyoba congratulator uma beregile ama-votes bawina. uRamaphosa is not calling uMnangagwa a friend. He is calling him a brother. And ama-Zimbabweans are expecting the same Ramaphosa to speak to Mnangagwa, to advise Mnangagwa not to continue with his term. And if mina, as a South African, ngiblame uRamaphosa ukuthi why ever happy if uMnangagwa eqhubeka ewina eZimbabwe, if uMnangagwa eqhubeka eriga ama-votes to continue to be the president, as nje ZANU-PF as a party to continue to lead iZimbabwe. Yini indaba uRamaphosa yena as a president of the country that is carrying the load, and yena as a leader of ama-citizens acomplainayo, abizwa ngokuthi xenophobic because ayacomplaina ukuthi Zimbabweans are taking our jobs, are overcrowding our clinics, our hospitals, they are overcrowding everywhere. I'm speaking about Zimbabweans here. I'm not speaking about other foreigners. That is why I'm mentioning only them. If truly uRamaphosa uyasizwa thina masikhala, if he listens to us and he sympathizes with us, ngazo zonke lezi zinto esikhala ngazo ukuthi Zimbabweans are doing this and this. If yena was a good leader to us, not to Zimbabweans of course, ubezokwazi ukuthi akhulume noMnangagwa ukuthi no my brother, stop being so wicked, stop being so tough on Zimbabweans, because if you oppress Zimbabweans, they run to South Africa to be a problem to my own people. Then those people in South Africa, they will come to me to complain to me. But because Ramaphosa does not even care about our outcry, he doesn't care about our sufferings, he doesn't care if we are employed or he doesn't care about anything. If we have medication in our hospitals, if we have spaces in schools, he doesn't care. That is why he's not saying anything to Mnangagwa. And into ebuhlungu ukuthi if I mention something like that, some patriots, they misunderstand me. They say Zimbabwe must fix their country by themselves. They must not put Ramaphosa there. If you think like that, it means we are stuck with Zimbabweans in South Africa forever. Because Mnangagwa will never fix the problems of Zimbabwe. Because to him, it's a relief if Zimbabweans are running away from Zimbabwe. I-load yakhe iyehla, iyareduceka umthwalo kuye. Uzothwalwa yithi ama-citizens ase-South Africa, not uRamaphosa, not i-GNU, because bona they are just living large. Baphila impilo emnandi bona. They are not affected by all these things esikhala ngazo bona nama-families abo. You understand ukuthi-ke why each and every time ngithi uRamaphosa yena uye umuntu okufanele ukuthi not ukuthi all the time if iZANU-PF iqhubeka iphatha iZimbabwe, then they will run to congratulate them. They will be happy for them. How can you be happy with umuntu owina ukuba upresident, then oppress people who are coming to oppress your own people? How can you be happy for someone like that? If you truly love your children, you are in your house with your own children, then your neighbor's children, they just flood. And that time you have only one loaf of bread for your children. And you will be very happy that those children are there. Even if your own children, they complain ukuthi asisasuthi, because we are many in this house now. This loaf of bread that was supposed to, at least for us all, take two slices, we are now getting half or nothing. Only ama neighbors manje akwazi ukuthi athole isinkwa, but not us as your children. Then when you will just be happy, you will go and praise ama parents alezo ingane. You will go there and they praise them and they call them your brothers and sisters. Instead of telling them, guys, my children are suffering right now, ever since when nina niphushe abantwana benu ukuthi beze endlini yami. Yena ehlula uRamaphosa ukuthi enze njalo yena. I know, yes, I know ukuthi iZimbabwe kumele ifixwe ama-Zimbabweans. But it is impossible ukuthi ama-Zimbabweans, sesiwabonile all these years ukuthi ama-Zimbabweans ayayisaba iZANU-PF. They prefer to run away from Zimbabwe. And uMnangagwa or iZANU-PF will never fix iZimbabwe, because kubona it's a good thing ukuthi ama-Zimbabweans are running away from their country so that they will enjoy ama-billions alone. You understand? So that is a problem. Even if namhlanje uMnangagwa decide ukuthi okay, I'm stepping down, anyone from the ZANU-PF or you take her over, it will be the same thing. Then thina as South African citizens, we will continue to suffer. Uyabona? That is the reason ngithi mina, if ama-Zimbabweans are choosing to take this guy, to make this guy their president, which is impossible, as I said, because if ZANU-PF is still there, it's this guy very soon, maybe he will go to prison. So lento yokuthi we will never vote for umlungu, yini bona laba bethu, our fellow black leaders, yini abangayenzanga ebuhlungu njenge-apartheid, even worse. I know some people, they went through a lot during, they lost their family members during apartheid, which I'm very sorry about that. I know apartheid, I was there. But the suffering that I was getting from another race is better, because when we put ANC, we said our fellow black government must come and free us. The question is, are we free? We are led by our own now. Are we free now? Mina ngibona this suffering is even worse than apartheid. Why? Because silidwa abantu bethu, our brothers and sisters, our fellow black government, obekufanele ngabe they are prioritizing us than any other person. They know how we suffered during apartheid. Fanele ngabe si at rest, at peace right now.